Okay guys, Richard here from the School of Nomads. So in today's review I want to go through a new product called Surge, which has been released today at 11 AM EST. Now this product is by Billy Dar, Justin Ope and Deepanjan Goswami, and I want to go through this product in a little bit of detail today and really explain to you, if you're really serious about making money online, why this type of product is something you need to avoid. So I'm going to take you into the product itself. I'll take you around the members area. We'll go through the sales page. I'm going to point out a few things on the sales page you need to be very wary of, and then we'll go through some of the OTOs, and obviously then you can make up your own mind whether this is a product for you. So as always, these reviews are my opinion only, based on my own experience, which is obviously many years online buying products like these, finding out that they don't really work for you, and pretty much wasting a lot of money. So let's just jump straight over to the members area itself, and I'll kind of show you around this product and show you what it's supposed to be doing. So I'm over on the Surge dashboard. Now, in a nutshell, what this product is actually doing is taking videos from TikTok and YouTube and then allowing you to repost them on Facebook and then sharing them to other platforms. So it's being advertised as taking advantage of traffic from TikTok and YouTube. Now, TikTok itself is a huge platform, right? And it's got about 800 million active users at the moment, and it's growing all the time, especially amongst the youngsters. They're loving this type of stuff. And what they're saying this is allowing you to do is kind of tap into that traffic, right? So here we have, there's an interface on here, it's a cloud-based interface, and it allows you to create these little video posts and then post them on Facebook. And there's a number of things you can do. So just over here on the left-hand side, you've got an area where you can create video posts. You've got an area where you can create live posts. So you can actually do a Facebook Live and then let it run for 30 minutes, for instance. An area where you can create blog posts, slideshow posts, carousel posts, and then you can import your own Facebook page onto this. There's a statistics tab, there's a history tab, which is where you can actually share some of these things, and then there's a training tab. Okay, so let me show you how this works. We'll go to video post here, and I'm actually going to pick one from YouTube first. And you need to put some kind of keyword in here. Now what this is going to do is go off and find some videos from YouTube that potentially I can go and then share on Facebook. So I'll just put anything down here, just, I don't know, funny cats or something, just to show you the types of videos you're getting back here. Now all of these videos I'm actually getting back, if I press configure on one, you'll see there's a description here. There's some hashtags here that you can copy across, and this is where you would set up your Facebook post. So you would put your campaign name down there, upload a thumbnail. This would be where the fan pages you're actually going to go and use. So I'll just do this to show you. You can pick various languages here. I'm going to stick to English. So you would copy and paste this description over, and you would replace some of these links with your own, and then you would copy and paste some of these hashtags over. Because theoretically, this is how people find your videos on Facebook, right? But just before I do that, I want to show you the video itself on YouTube. This is a video, it's only had 44 views, look. So obviously it's not that popular on YouTube either. And if I come down to the bottom here, right, this is Creative Commons. So I've noticed all the videos they were actually bringing back off YouTube are actually Creative Commons. So you can go and do this anyway. You can go to YouTube and search out Creative Commons licenses under the search bar, look for funny cat videos, look for Creative Commons videos, and you can go and search forward this anyway. So all this is really doing is bringing back the description and some tags for you, okay, which is copying these tags here. So they're using Creative Commons licenses. Now, one thing you do need to make sure whenever you do something like this, and just take a little step back, using Creative Commons stuff off YouTube is kind of an old tactic for lazy marketers to show people how to get videos on YouTube, right? They say you don't have to make your own videos, just go off and use these Creative Commons ones. And it's rife with issues. One, it's usually very low standard. Two, people have seen them all before. And three, you need to make sure you're still attributing those videos back to the person who actually made them. So you need to add the Creative Commons license to the bottom of any kind of description you do, even if you post it to Facebook for those particular videos, or you're going to be jumping all over copyright problems, right? So anyway, just for the purpose of that, you come over and you just press publish, and this will end up going over to my Facebook page, and then I'll show you it on my Facebook page, right? Just to show you that this works. So one thing I will say about this application is it does actually work as far as being able to grab content from other places and reposting it on Facebook. Okay, and then when you share it to other sites, as you'll see, you just share it in the form of a link. So this is my campaign, and if I wanted to share this campaign here is the test campaign published on the School of Nomads. If I go ahead and hit this, it should go back to where it's actually published it on my page. And this is just a test page I use for various videos. If I refresh this, you should see it published. And there you go. So there's the cat video, there's the description, and here's the various links, and here's the tags, right? And don't worry, I'll be deleting this soon. So this is the video that I've actually published onto my page. So the application, as far as that's concerned, does actually work. Now, if you wanted to reshare it, you would share it on various platforms just in the form of links. And there's also a link cloaker here you can go ahead and use to cloak the link in the first place. It gives you a bit.ly link, okay? So I'm not going to share those things. I don't want to share them on my other platforms, but you can go ahead and share these, and then on Pinterest it just shares the image itself. As far as that's concerned, it does work. Now, as I said, on YouTube you can use Creative Commons videos. Now TikTok, which is the one they're really focusing on, as I said, there's a lot of users on TikTok. If I come over to TikTok as well. Okay guys, I was going to show you TikTok, right? But again, as I've been researching this today, this just crashed multiple times, this interface. Now this is the JV Access interface, and it's just not reacting very well, right? And my PC is fine, everything else is working is fine. So let's just hope when they really sell this that the bandwidth is increased and this can actually take the amount of users they're expecting to get on it, right? So I'm not impressed with the functionality of this. Now, as far as it just working is concerned, yes, it does allow you to create a slideshow by going off to Flickr and Pixabay and getting free images. You can do that anyway on a blog, but it does allow you to do that. It does allow you to create a carousel post. The actual functionality does work. But what they're actually saying on here is by getting a ton of free traffic on these platforms, you're going to get lots and lots of people looking at your affiliate offers, CPA offers, and you can take them over to various articles, etc. And to be honest, unless you've already got an audience, if you're a new marketer and you buy this expecting to start making money straight away, it's not going to work. So for any of this stuff on affiliate marketing to work, you actually need an audience to go ahead and show these to, right? So if you had an established page and it was focused on funny cats or whatever, and you were making money somehow off that page, this could be a way that you can get content very quickly and share it. So I'll give them that, right? This could be a way that you could go ahead and do that. But for most marketers who are going to come along and look at this product, what you're actually going to be expecting is this is the one that's going to start making you money. And this is a typical shiny object product, right? This is the type of product when newbies will come on, they'll spend 2 or 3 weeks actually going through this, trying to make this work, get frustrated, and then leave it, right? So as far as this is concerned, if you're one of my followers or you come across this video, I am telling you, if you really want to make money online, do not go for products like this. They do not work. You may end up being lucky and getting 1 or 2 sales somehow by somebody somehow randomly clicking on your link on a video, but the reality is it will not work. I'll tell you straight, right? Here's the interface. You can see what it's like by looking at the demo videos on the sales page, and you can see exactly what they're doing here. But as far as the whole tactic works, this is not going to be something that's going to build you a real sustainable business online. So let me just go over to the sales page. I'll point a few things out on the sales page as well. So I jump back over to the sales page. Now this is very similar to the other sales pages this vendor makes, not uncommon. You can have lots of sales pages that look similar because obviously they're just copy and pasting over to the next product. But if you want to check out the other sales pages and the other products this vendor makes, go over to Munchai, look at this release, and then just hit the vendor name, and the vendor name will bring you up all the other products that this vendor releases. And you'll see these sales pages are very similar. So the unique one-click software gets you autopilot free buyer traffic in 60 seconds. It doesn't take 60 seconds, it takes much longer than that, and it's not one-click software. Although, I will go back to the fact that for the purposes of just grabbing somebody else's content and then putting it onto Facebook, it does work, right? So that's not something that I can criticize it for. So what they're actually doing here is focusing on this sales page very much on the TikTok angle, because TikTok's new and it's cool, and they're saying that it's the first app that allows you to get free traffic from TikTok. Well, you can go onto TikTok anyway and share those videos to other platforms straight away, so you don't need this to do it. And when they said it comes and gives you descriptions and tags, it doesn't always do that when you go off and search TikTok. When I finally made it work, it doesn't actually bring back those descriptions and tags every time. So it's not foolproof, this app. But let's just move down to the sales page itself. And you got to use your financial proof. Take these with a pinch of salt. I can make these financial proofs up today if I wanted to. And then it takes you through the TikTok itself, 60 million daily visitors, 800 million active users actually at the moment, or 500 million. So they sold that short. And the usual no techie skills and stuff. So what they're trying to do is obviously focus this on the newbie, saying that if you come across this product now, you're going to be rich and making $100 a day. And trust me, you won't, right? So anyway, what type of products can you use on this? Affiliate products, all sorts of other physical products. Basically anywhere that you can stick a link, they're saying that you can drive traffic to using this. And then they give you some stats for famous TikTokers, but I kind of say, so what on this? Because Lauren Gray makes 175,000 every time she posts on TikTok. I don't think she makes that every single post, right? Because she'd be a multi-billionaire. Because I see the amount of posts that actually Lauren Gray does. But let's take this as, yes, these people are incredibly rich off TikTok, but they're incredibly rich because they're on the platform and they've got a massive audience, right? And people pay them to promote things on TikTok, and they get advertising revenue on TikTok. They don't share their own TikTok videos on some random Facebook page that has no audience, right? So this is kind of so what, right, on these. And by the way, this guy here hasn't even got his own name, Riaz Ali 141. So maybe I'm too old to know who this guy is, but he's got about 9 posts and not all his own name, so I don't really believe that. So anyway, let's scroll down, and I want to show you that's a nice graphic there of all these affiliate earnings. Trust me, these folks don't make money on these products because by using these products, rather, they make money by selling these products. They create a product, it's very similar to the last product they sold, they give it a flashy name and they resell it. That's how they make their money. They don't make their money by using this tactic. And if I'm wrong, then somebody send me a video and show me where they made their money using this tactic. So let's go down to the bottom here, and I want to point something out. So I'll come down to the testimonial section, and I'm kind of disappointed again when I look at this. I was going to show you the other sales pages, but just go and do it yourself, right? Do some research and look at the products that these vendors make, and look at some of the parts of the sales pages, and you'll see that this sales page has the same exact testimonials as several others. So what they're doing is they're pasting the same testimonials over to each product, and it's exactly the same wording. So straight away you should be having alarm bells on this and saying that this is clearly BS, and these people aren't using this product, and they're not using this product to make money, right? They're just allowing them to copy and paste, even if they know they're doing it, over to various sales pages. So again, massive alarm bells on this. And if you do come across this review, I hope you don't end up spending money on this, because this is going to be a complete waste of your time. You're going to spend a lot of time doing this type of stuff, and what you're basically doing is creating spam and just spamming the internet and hoping that somewhere along the line you end up hitting somebody who buys the odd thing off you, and it's just not going to work like. So let's go over to the OTOs, and I'll show you what these OTOs are. So the front end is $17, and they're saying it's going to increase every 60 minutes, and the front end includes 3-in-1 TikTok software, video training program, and case study. Yeah, I could have mentioned there is video training on there. System teaches your customers how to leverage TikTok's videos for free viral traffic and sales. The upsell is unlimited edition. This upgrade lets your customers unlock additional TikTok features and also lets them run unlimited campaigns. Then you have upsell 2, which is the automation edition. The upgrade lets your customers unlock the automation module for traffic, leads and sales. Then you've got upsell 3, which is done for you edition, which is $197. In this upgrade, our team aim to deliver done for you traffic and sales for customers. Upsell 4, Surge License Edition, allowing you to actually sell the software for $39. And upsell 5, the custom experience, a very custom funnel setup for you that allows you to go ahead and sell this product. So again, lots and lots of upsells there. There's actually nearly just about $500 worth of upsells on this particular funnel. So a lot of the other affiliates who don't really care about you and care about how much you're going to spend and whether you're successful are going to love this product, right? So I jumped over to the sales page again. I just wanted to show you this. Now, one of the things they're showing you on here is that if you're one of the first 200 buyers, you're going to get invited to a 250,000 in 30 days private class where they're going to show you how they made 250,000 in March. And obviously they're trying to say that if you replicate that method, then you can do the same. Now, Now, the only way they were going to they'd make 255,000 in the last month is by selling products like this, right? They didn't make it through any kind of affiliate marketing that was attached to this product. So just be wary when you ever see numbers like this. It's horrendous, right? They're not actually going to teach you how to make 255,000 a month. And because if they could do that, they wouldn't need to spend their time making $17 products for people, right? That's nearly over $3 million a year. So, if you want to go ahead and purchase this and learn how to do this, then it's obviously up to you. But I'm telling you now, this isn't going to be a realistic thing. And the last thing is, go through this sales page, have a look yourself. There is a 90-day guarantee. They actually say if you can prove that you've used the software and you don't make any money, you'll give you $200 back, which I'll pretty much flippantly say to you is probably the only way you'll make money with this product. Not a very structured review this time because I really don't want you to purchase this software. If you're one of my followers or you're interested in kind of things that I have to say about internet marketing products, then please don't go ahead and purchase this. Save your money. Make sure you're going to pick a real tactic to go make money with. And if you really do want to learn how to make money online with a very, very newbie-friendly, super affordable method that's a real business and not some BS like this, go ahead and check out the link in the description below. You'll be taken over to the Simple Traffic Blueprint, which is a course that we put together that shows you how to make money online step by step. And this is a real course, a real method, doesn't involve any kind of BS software, and will teach you really how to make money online. So this has been Richard Darby. This is the School of Nomads. If you enjoyed this review, give me a thumbs up, give me a comment below if you've purchased any of these types of products before, and give me your experiences. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and notification bell, and whenever we bring out any kind of new reviews, any kind of tips and tricks around making money online, you'll be notified straight away. So until next time, take care.